Let's learn how to use present simple tense in daily English. Like, comment, and subscribe before watching the video. What is present simple? We use the present simple to talk about habits. I drink coffee every morning. Facts. The sun rises in the east. Routines. She goes to school at 8 a.m. General truths. Water boils at 100 Celsius. Formula. Subject plus base verb plus s or es for he, she, and it. Examples. I play football. He plays football. Affirmative sentences. Another example. I watch TV in the evenings. You work hard. She likes chocolate. He studies English every day. They live in Sydney. Negative sentences. Subject plus do or does not plus base verb. Examples. I do not like tea. She does not play tennis. They do not live here. Yes and no questions. Do or does plus subject plus base verb. Examples. Do you like pizza? Yes, I do. Or, no, I don't. Does she study French? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. WH questions. WH word plus do or does plus subject plus base verb. Examples. Where do you live? What do they eat for breakfast? When does he wake up? Spelling rules for verbs with he, she, it. Add s to play equals plays. Add es to watch equals watches. And go becomes goes. Change y to ies, study, to studies, and fly to flies. Everyday life examples. I wake up at 7 o'clock. She goes to school by bus. He eats breakfast at home. We play football every weekend. They watch movies on Fridays. Mini exercises. Fill in the blanks. He to the gym every day. I milk. Does she English? We football on Sundays. I'll give you 20 seconds to finish the fill in the blanks. He goes to the gym every day. I do not like milk. Does she study English? We play football on Sundays. Recap. Use present simple tense for habits, routines, facts, and truth. Add s or es with he, she, and it. Use do, does for negative and questions. Practice every day.